On the last leg of our road trip adventure, we traveled from Utah, heading southwest through Arizona to the beautiful state of Nevada, taking in the most breathtaking scenic landscapes along the way. Before heading to the Vegas Strip, we had to take a detour off of Interstate 15 to one of the most popular and most Instagram places south of Vegas. Opened in 2016, Seven Magic Mountains is a set of colorful stacked boulders created by a Swiss artist using natural materials from a local rock quarry to create a structure in the landscape. The boulders are stacked more than 30 feet and weigh 40,000 pounds each. This free art exhibit is always packed with everyone looking for the perfect photo op. So if you want to see this exhibit, be sure to do so soon because it may only be on display until the end of 2021. Next stop, Sin City. With only 24 hours in Vegas, we decided that we wanted to make this last trip the most memorable. And so we came here with one thing in mind, and that was adventure. We wasted no time heading to our room at the Bally's, quickly unpacked our stuff, and we were out. North of the Strip lies the Stratosphere Hotel and Casino. It's not only the tallest building in Vegas, but it's the tallest freestanding observation tower in the US. And one of us was about to take the ultimate plunge.
All right, I'm here with Demar. She's about to jump 855 feet off the Strat in Las Vegas, Nevada. How are you feeling?
I feel excellent.
Nervous, excited?
Nervous and excited.
Anything you would like to say to friends or family before you jump off?
Sorry, Mom and Dad.
All right, we'll see you after. Have fun.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, there you go.
That was so scary. That was so much fun. I'm alive! I'm alive! On a scale of 1 to 10, that was a quick 11.
11?
Yeah.
From everything you've done, that was an 11?
It wasn't scary. It was the initial looking down and then the initial deciding to jump off
Make the plunge?
the ledge. Yeah.
Is your heart beating?
Yes,
Yeah.
my knees are still
Do
shaking.
this, do this.
After taking the plunge, we decided to hit the town and have a little fun. And that includes taking in all the sights and sounds of the Las Vegas Strip. It's a known fact, no one comes to Las Vegas to sleep. And so, at 1 a.m., we decided to head downtown and embark on another adventure.
It's our time, you and I, so alive, young and wild. Maybe I'm not supposed to let my lips touch your lips, but if it's alright, I just might.
It's Chris. We're about to Superman.
Yeah.
Woo! Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready. I want to go home.
And after an amazing zip line, we hung out until the wee hours in the morning because there's just no place like Vegas.